What if you could walk outside, pick dinner from your own backyard, and know exactly how it was grown? Most people think vegetable gardening is complicated. It is not. With a few simple steps, a beginner can grow fresh food in just weeks. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know to start your first vegetable garden. No complicated methods, just simple, proven steps that work. Many beginners believe gardening requires expert knowledge, expensive tools, or a huge yard. None of that is true. Vegetables want to grow. If you give them sunlight, water, and decent soil, they do most of the work. The biggest secret experienced gardeners know is this: start small. A small garden that thrives beats a big garden that overwhelms you. A beginner mistake is planting 20 kinds of vegetables, then realizing they all need watering at the same time during a heat wave. Start with 3 to 5 vegetables you enjoy eating. Success builds confidence. Choose crops that fit your meals and your schedule. You do not need fancy tools. A trowel, a hose, and enthusiasm go a long way. Plants are wired to grow. Your job is to set the stage. Give them what they need and they respond quickly. In weeks, a bare bed can become a salad bar. What vegetables do you eat the most? Those are the best ones to start growing. Keep it simple, keep it small, and let your garden teach you. 3 wins in your first season will change everything. Location is the single biggest factor in gardening success. Most vegetables grow best with 6 to 8 hours of sun each day. If your garden gets less sun, leafy crops like lettuce and spinach still do well. Match crops to the light you have. Your garden also needs good drainage. Water should soak in, not sit in puddles. If water pools, raise the bed or choose a higher spot and make it convenient. If the garden is close to your house, you will care for it more often. A garden at the far end of the yard sometimes becomes the "I will water it tomorrow" garden. Take a look outside. Do you already have a sunny spot for a garden? Even a 4 by 8 foot bed can grow a surprising amount of food. Pick your spot today. The rest becomes easier. Healthy soil grows healthy vegetables. Think of soil as the kitchen where plants get their meals. The goal is simple: loose soil that holds moisture but drains well. The easiest way to improve soil is adding compost. Compost feeds the soil and helps plants grow stronger. If your soil is hard like concrete, compost will loosen it. If your soil drains too quickly, compost helps it hold water. This one step alone solves many beginner gardening problems. Have you ever used compost before? Yes or no? 2 inches across the top, mix into the first few inches, and you are ready to plant. Moisten the bed so seeds and roots feel at home. Some vegetables are naturally beginner-friendly. They grow fast and are very forgiving. Great starter vegetables include lettuce, radishes, green beans, zucchini, tomatoes, and herbs like basil. These plants grow quickly and reward beginners with visible progress. Tomatoes show you blooms, fruit, and color changes week by week. Radishes can grow in about 1 month. Lettuce can be harvested multiple times. Zucchini grows so fast you might start giving it away to neighbors. Many gardeners start with 1 zucchini plant and end up feeding half the neighborhood. Which vegetable would you love to harvest from your own garden? Pick 2 quick growers and 1 longer season favorite. Quick wins keep motivation high. Beginners often wonder whether to start from seeds or buy small plants. Both work well. Seeds are inexpensive and offer the most variety. Plants, sometimes called seedlings, give you a head start and are easier for beginners. Start fast crops like beans and lettuce from seeds. Buy starter plants for tomatoes and peppers. This gives you both convenience and experience. Do you prefer planting seeds or buying starter plants? Mix and match to fit your comfort. Either path works. The best choice is the one that gets you growing now. Watering sounds simple, but many beginners either overwater or underwater. Vegetables need consistent moisture, not soggy soil. A good rule is deep watering a few times per week rather than light watering every day. Drip lines or soaker hoses make consistency easy. Morning watering is best. Plants absorb water during the day and leaves dry before night. Wet leaves overnight can encourage disease. Plants like a good drink, but they do not want to live in a swimming pool. Do you usually water plants in the morning or evening? Pick 2 or 3 deep watering days each week. Aim for moist soil about an inch down. Every garden will have a few pests. That is normal. The best strategy is observation. Check your plants a few times each week. Catching problems early prevents bigger issues. Healthy soil and strong plants naturally resist many problems. A few bug bites on leaves are normal. Perfect leaves are not required for delicious vegetables. The goal is vegetables for dinner, not a beauty contest for lettuce leaves. What is the biggest gardening problem you worry about? Simple tools like row covers and hand picking solve most issues. Invite beneficial insects by growing flowers nearby. Nature helps you out. Let us quickly recap the biggest lessons for beginner vegetable gardeners. First, start small. A few successful crops build confidence. Second, choose a sunny location. Sunlight fuels vegetable growth. Third, improve your soil with compost. Healthy soil solves many gardening problems. Fourth, grow easy vegetables that reward beginners quickly. Fifth, water deeply and consistently. If you want fast results, start with something simple like lettuce or green beans. You could be harvesting your first vegetables in just a few weeks. Bonus tip, keep a small garden journal. Write down what you plant and how it grows. Even experienced gardeners learn something new every season. Thumbs up if this video was useful. Subscribe and turn on notifications and become part of the family. Comment your #1 takeaway from today's video, and remember, we are all just playing in the dirt. And watch the next video on your screen right now. It was picked just for you. Thanks for spending time here today. See you soon in the next video.